Hi, my name is Giselle, and I'm with the Adobe Newsroom. I'm super excited to be here today to talk to you about Adobe's online annual holiday shopping predictions. This is the most comprehensive report in our industry. We are measuring 80 of the top 100 retailers, and we're using Adobe Analytics to look at 1 trillion website visits.
First, we expect about $10 billion in Black Friday e-commerce sales alone. Consumers are moving a lot of their buying from the offline world to the online world, and because of that, Black Friday could be as big or even bigger than Cyber Monday this year. Second, we expect a lot of buy online, pick up in store, or curbside collect shopping. This is how consumers are getting the goods and gifts that they want safely and quickly. Third, we're expecting to see a lot of early shipping this year. Consumers are worried about how delivery delays are going to affect them getting the gifts that they want to the people they want to reach out to. Fourth and finally, expect to see a bunch more search. Search is how consumers figure out the right gift to give to the right person. And because of that, there's a lot of intent data in there that retailers can use to personalize consumer experiences.